Don't play with me because you don't know what you're getting yourself into, okay? Honey, we had to move because y'all know me. I'm just a girl that lives it up. What can I say? Seems a little odd.
DJ OJ.
You telling me you falling out of love with me? Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating it like gossip. It's my love for my grandmother made me jump.
Headed in there now. Let's get my babies. Let's get my babies back. We only take cash or card. You must have card with you. Okay.
Almost like it didn't happen to make you happy. You telling me you falling out of love with me? Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. You telling me you falling out of love with me?
All right, we done. We got our stuff. She looks very, very good. They put a very similar clasp on, except the old one was a little shorter. The little lever that goes on the side was a little shorter. I actually prefer it longer because I can feel it better when I'm putting it on. So just put her back on. She looks good. My bracelet looks so good. I've had her for forever. Really one of the first luxury pieces that I bought after finishing school. Yeah, so my good sis asked me, did I finish school yet? And I'm like, yes, of course I did. So I do need to like do an update video. No, she didn't ask me did I finish school. She asked me did I pass my boards. And I was like, yes, I did. Y'all know me. I'm just a girl that lives it up. What can I say? I worked hard and I play harder. Okay. And hopefully y'all can hear me over the music, but we just decided to go to Virtue because we wanted the espresso martini. They're booked to capacity and the wait list is booked. And so now we are here at Jaw Grill. So should we try the espresso martini? They got a daiquiri for $9. I don't drink daiquiris though, so the mojito might be good too, but I better stick with what I know.
A few moments later.
Oh no! Oh no! Nah, I don't fuck with no spiders.
I'm looking at all these webs. I don't fuck with no spiders.
Honey, we had to move because there was like some big ass spiders in the tent, like in here. The spiders are like huge. Like I'm talking about the body of the spider is huge and the legs are like, it's disgusting. Y'all know how I am with spiders, baby. I'm taking off running, okay? Ain't got no time. By the time he finished the sentence, my ass was at a whole nother table, okay? We are now somewhere else. No.
Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fly, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan feet.
Okay, y'all, so we leaving. Am I in frame? Okay, we leaving Jaw Grill. We leaving Jaw Grill, and let me tell y'all something. It wasn't bad, but it was it was a couple things that we need to discuss, okay? So first and foremost, our water, the water was good. The water was good. But the second round of water that he poured, it had like gross particles in there, like large particles. They were orange in it. So I'm like, okay. And then when we got our chicken tacos, when I say beyond hot, like damn near unbearable hot, if you didn't grow up eating like that, which it wasn't, y'all know I eat hot shit all the time, every day I eat hot. It was even a bit much for me, and that's saying a lot. That happened. We got our food. The food was good. It was just like extra spicy, like overly spicy. Like, sir, god damn. Yeah. Anyway, it's looking a little sketchy over here. I'll talk to y'all in a minute. These are super cute. I normally don't even like nothing in here, but the colors and the prints are growing on me. Now if I could just find the hoodies, I think we'll be okay. But they got some cute little prints. I like the prints. So okay, I stand semi-corrected. Where are the hoodies, honey? Where are you, hoodies? They get copyrighted for this music. I like this, but the only problem is he wants a zip-up hoodie. He don't want it to be pullover. He specifically said that. I don't know, baby. Okay, wait a minute. Nike Tech. Like a little, it's the same style as the Nike Tech. You might as well buy a real Nike Tech for that, but it's got the same style as the Nike Tech. Similar style, not the same. But let's see what they was trying to do. Okay, nothing in Old Navy. So I guess I'm gonna go to Target and see what they have. I think Target is gonna be the one though. I think she's gonna be my girl. Cause Old Navy ain't have a goddamn thing. The funniest fucking thing just happened to me. So I'm coming out of my car and I'm walking in the parking lot to come into Target. And this like middle-aged white guy pulled out in like a Subaru or something like that. And I was walking. I didn't even see him face to face at first. He was like, damn, I should have hit that. Girl, when I say I fell out, okay? Yeah, that was funny. Okay, so Target does have some, but it looks like they're picked over. So, like they have these cute ones. Let's get the one underneath. I like that. Let's see if they have some in I guess like the juniors department. Do they even have a damn juniors department? She likes these kind of sweaters too. She loves a librarian sweater, baby. She put one on, can't tell last nothing, okay? But I do want to get the zip-up sweaters. I do want them to have the ability to be able to like zip it, unzip it, that kind of thing. So yeah, that was the funniest thing though. He was like an older white man too, like 50. He was like, damn, I should have hit that. And I'm like, sir? Don't play with me because you don't know what you're getting yourself into, okay? It's giving you always been this thick, Tony. Always, all my motherfucking life, okay? Alright, we're back in the men's section. I just was not able to find anything that would remotely fit my son. When I say his arms as long as hell, he got man arms and a boy body. So I'm thinking about just getting him one of these little hoodies. I don't know, in like a small, that might be good for him. $30 hoodie just seems quite insane to me. Seems a little odd. much. So, oh shit, here at Olive Garden. So, I'm in here, and I've already finished one soup. She's right on time because I'm ready for a refill. And then when I leave here, I need to go to Aldi's to get a couple of items. I want something real quick, real easy, real simple tonight for the kids. And then for Honey, I'll make him something different. So I gotta make those runs before I go in the house, and then that's it for me, okay? I can go and rest. So when I leave here, I'm gonna go to Aldi's and then go to Pete's, and then I'm done. So.